Hey everybody, how's it going? Do you like horseradish? Well, did you know this is it? This is the horseradish root. I bought this online and I'm going to plant the top. Now, you see the little leaf buds? I'm going to cut it right about here. I'm going to process all of this for prepared horseradish. I'm not sure if I'll plant this or if I'll make more fresh prepared horseradish. All you're going to need is the horseradish root, some vinegar, and some salt. Okay, this is called the crown of the horseradish plant. I'm going to come down a little below that. Now, horseradish is in the radish family, the Brassicaceae, also with mustard and cabbage and broccoli. And you know, it actually doesn't smell pungent until you crush up all those cells, because the active ingredient, it's acted upon with crushing the cells so that herbivores don't eat the plant root. And so I'm going to take off this little woody exterior, all the dirty stuff. But again, as I was saying, horseradish has to be activated by crushing. And the longer it sits in storage, the weaker it's going to be. So the freshest stuff is fresh ground. All right, now, as far as shredding this, you can use one of these little micro planes. You know, I use this for like lemon zest, but that's going to take forever. Let's upgrade to this bad boy. Oh my God, you guys, this is so strong, I swear. Now that I've done the first shred, let's really give it to it. I'm gonna add a little vinegar, maybe about a quarter cup per cup. Good healthy dose of salt. Woo-wee! Okay, let's give it to it. All right, time to can it. I'm telling you, the kitchen smells like a Japanese restaurant with wasabi. Now, wasabi is not horseradish per se. In fact, a lot of wasabi now is being made with horseradish, but the wasabi plant is very difficult to grow and it's very expensive when you can get it. So yeah, wasabi is kind of a gimmick, but look at this. All right. So I'd say that made at least a cup of nice horseradish. Let's give it a try. Ooh. That is better than any store-bought I've ever had. I'm for real. It's spicy, I'm not gonna lie. Delicious. So get yourself some horseradish root, make it from scratch, grow the plant. I'll keep you updated on how that plant grows.